Welcome to another NVDA advanced topic brought to you by the Knowledge Chest. Let's talk more about installing NVDA. Before we covered the topic of portable copies, we briefly looked at installing NVDA. Let's take a more in-depth look at it now. Once the license agreement is acknowledged, to install NVDA to the computer, press Tab to move to install NVDA on this computer and press Enter, or simply press Alt+I. During the setup process, Windows might present a user account control dialog. This dialog needs to be acknowledged within a limited period of time, or else the install will fail. So let's take a look at the steps for installing NVDA. Once the license agreement has been acknowledged, press Alt+I to install NVDA on this computer. The next screen has options to use NVDA on the Windows logon screen and create a desktop shortcut. These are checked by default, so you can simply press Enter to continue. Use Tab and Spacebar to change any of these options if needed. If a Windows User Account Control dialog appears asking, "Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your PC?" Press Alt+Y to accept this. A dialog box appears confirm that the install of NVDA has been successful. The message advises to press OK to start the installed copy. Press Enter to start the installed copy. The Welcome to NVDA dialog appears and NVDA reads a welcome message. The focus is on the Use Caps Lock as an NVDA modifier key. Use Tab and Spacebar to adjust the options on this page as needed. Press Enter to close the dialog box. NVDA is now running. And that's it. NVDA is now installed on your PC. That covers the topic of installing NVDA. Thanks for listening. Until next time.